What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well, man. All right, now y'all seen that title, man. Seen the thumbnail. Let's jump right into it, man. We got another Doernbecher freestyle. 20-year anniversary, and this is my personal favorite from the pack. The only one that I got for personal for the collection. So let's check this joint out, man. Let's see what it is. Same big box, fold out, slide out, blue sleeve comes off. All white box with the fold out, man. Blue hits, and the tag on this joint reads Nike Air 180 DB20 multicolor, size 12. Man, like I said, this is the only personal shoe that I grabbed from the collection. The only one that I went to get on Saturday morning. And here we have the Air Max 180, man. Super clean pair to me. I think this is the best pair from the collection. This is definitely the best men's pair. I can understand someone saying that Jordan 6 if that's your kind of style, but this is the best pair from the collection to me. Air Max 180. Let's check out the details and see if y'all rocking with this joint just like I am. Now, as you guys already know, man, the Doernbecher Freestyle Collection, they're created by kids that are in the Doernbecher Hospital, either currently or previously. This one was done by Jakai Taylor from McMinnville, Oregon. Has type 1 diabetes. He did a Nike Air 180. He's a young kid, active, loves gaming, playing soccer, and filming TikTok videos. Everything was captured into this shoe, which features like different kind of like lightning bolts, the bubble Nike symbol. Just a really, really clean, vibrant shoe. It has some glow-in-the-dark hits. And it has like some special patches like that shows his glucose monitor. So they really let him do his thing like they do always, man. Doernbecher Freestyle. When you get a chance, man, just look it up. They have his story. Just look up Jakai Taylor, Nike Doernbecher, and they have the story for each kid and their whole Doernbecher story and experience. They have it documented. Let's check out the shoes, man. Now here we have the Nike Air 180 done by Jakai, like I said, Doernbecher 2020. Let's start with the front of the shoe, man. This joint comes laced in like a darker but light green toe box with the black suede going all the way around the shoe. The entire shoe has like suede and like neoprene type of overlays. So some soft materials for sure. Black suede here. Get into the side of the shoe, it does have like the lightning bolts. And then it has a bubble Nike logo, and it has like water drops on the inside. Lightning bolts here, man. It really looks like a storm hit this shoe. And they did some really nice details, man. This entire black part is suede with the lightning bolts embroidered in, so really nice touch there. And it has like a gradient fade. It goes from like this vibrant, darker of the greens that are on the shoe, and it fades all the way to blue going to the back of the shoe, man. Full midsole in black with the blue hit here. Nice air bubble there with the blue and green hits, and it fades from green all the way to a darker blue in the back. Getting to the back of the shoe, man, it has Jakai 30 on there with the 180 on the shoe for Air Max 180. Getting to the inside of the shoe, has the same vibrant fade, but it goes from, of course, blue back to green to the front. Has some nice suede, has a nice soft material going across the toe of the shoe. Really, really solid here, man. I like these joints a lot. Like I said, this was my favorite shoe out of the collection. So I was super excited to get these. It was like a no-brainer for me, honestly, man. Super duper no-brainer. Now getting to the tongue, man, it has the same fade. It goes from green to blue. And then on the tongue tag, it has T1D on the tongue. And then back of the tongue, just a regular size tag, size 12 men, 13.5 women. It does have the full blue sock liner with the neon green on the inside. And it has JA on this one and then Kai on the other one. His name's Jakai. JA on this shoe, Kai on the inside of the other shoe, man. Really nice touch, a really soft shoe. Fairly comfortable. I do feel like has a nice thick soft insole. Does have the air bubble for like the, it's an Air Max 180. Can't really go wrong with this shoe as far as comfort. Can't wait to put these joints on, man. Like I said, this was my favorite shoe out of the collection. Just seeing them like float on pictures and different blogs and Nike apps and things like that. So it was a no-brainer for me to go ahead and grab these. Now getting into the laces, man, they do have all black laces with the white speckles weaved in. And then they have the color changing lace agglets that are like chameleon paint. It goes from that green to blue depending on what angle the lights hit them. So solid hit there, man. Really, really nice touch, man. I think my favorite part of the shoe will have to be the air bubble. It's a Nike sign, but it's like bubble filled, jelly filled, and it's very raised right there, and it has like the watermarks on the inside. So it's probably my favorite touch of the entire shoe, and it's something that I'll definitely wear. Not sure like what kind of fits just yet. If you know me, I love to rock my Techs and my Nike suits, so this is definitely one of those lounge fit type of kicks. So definitely gonna get worn soon. No question. You'll see me posting pics on these on the gram very soon. Now, like I said earlier, all black midsole with the blue hits, and then it has an all translucent light blue outsole, and this does glow in the dark. I'll try to get some shots of it, but it does glow in the dark for sure. This is a really solid shoe starting off, man. Leave me your comments. Let me know how you feeling about these joints so far. Let's check out this right shoe and get into these extras. Now, get into that right shoe, man. Just the same as the left. Has that green to blue fade going all the way across the shoe. Nice hits there. Has the lightning bolts. It has the same T1B on the tongue. Has that super dope bubble swoosh, like I said before. Nice hits, same laces, same details as the other shoe. Has Jakai 30 on the back, man, his name, and I believe that says soccer number if I'm not mistaken. And then on this shoe, they did come with the extra. So they went with like a soccer crest. If anybody knows soccer, this is like the badge for each team. They have their own soccer crest. So they gave him some customs. This one says Jakai with the Nike Air. And then this actual white bubble here is like a soft, like squeezable bubble, but this is supposed to represent his glucose monitor. Now with this glucose style, soccer crest that they gave us, they also gave us a couple of patches just to fill in. You see it has holes in the middle so you can show the Nike sign when you Velcro it on. And I'll show you a couple of different ones that they have. So they actually came with 3 extras. They have like a holographic, like Nike joint with the bubbles to match the Nike swoosh that's on the shoe. They have the Nike with like the hammers on there, and like I said, that Nike sign will show through. And then they have one, true soccer fashion, has a soccer ball, chenille patch with the Nike sign crown on it. So some nice, really dope, nice touches. And like I said, these joints will fit right here on the overlay. This one is of course tied to the laces right now, but it will you will peel this one off that says Jakai. This one would go over. And then it'll have the Nike sign pressed through. It'll fit right on just like it's supposed to, but nice touch, nice details there. Now outside of the extra crest, they did give us some extra laces as well. They went with a neon green set of laces that matches, their front part of the shoe, that nice green color. And they also gave us like a teal light blue set of laces, and this one kind of matches the back end of the shoe. So you can kind of pick your poison. They both will probably look good. The green really matches perfectly with the green that's on the front of the shoe, so you can't really go wrong there. And the blue matches perfectly with the middle and like back parts of the shoe. So if you want to add a color, you can go with either one of these and it will definitely hit. But I think the shoe is very vibrant and is already loud enough, so I'll probably stay with the black and white factory install laces. But to each his own. You definitely can have your own personal style, and either one will definitely look good with the shoe regardless. But I think the black would let the shoe do the talking, and you can just wear like a nice calm fit, bring it together with some black, and then the shoe already has some pops of color for sure. Now, like I said earlier, man, all lime green insoles. They say Jakai, J-A'_K-A-I, man. And they both have the light blue translucent outsoles, and they glow in the dark as well, man. So good looking shoe here. Definitely my favorite. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which pair out of the 2025 Doernbecher collection was your favorite. Hands down, this one was the best to me. I did like the Pegasus as well. The Air Max DN is nice, black and gold. I'll probably get that one if I can find it, like for the low. The Sonder was dope too, but it didn't come in my size. The 6 was a little too, girly-ish colors for me personally, just to my liking. And then of course the Sabrina was dope. I would definitely hoop in those, but I couldn't get those in my size either. So this one, looking at pictures and just going into the store and seeing them in person, I like this one on picture. Seeing it in person just kind of confirmed. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one of these were your favorite from this year's Doernbecher collection. Now, I was able to hit these joints for retail, man. They had these joints in store at my local shoe palace. I think the retail was like 160 plus tax, so like 173 out the door. I was able to grab these, no issues. They did only have a couple of size 12, so I got the last one. It was only, I think maybe 1 or 2 people in front of me. One guy got a size 12. I make sure I got the next one. So was able to secure my personal with no issues, like I said. 173. And as far as resale, man, these aren't doing anything crazy on the resale market. So if this is a shoe that you like as far as comfort or colors, they are available for like 200 to 250 on a max in on the resale market. So nothing too crazy coming from that 170 retail. Still a no-brainer for me. Not really worried about retail. when it's coming to a personal shoe. This is one of my like super duper buy what you like type of shoes. I don't think there was any like crazy hype or anything behind this one. It just looked really good to me, and it was something that I was interested in getting. So seen it, got it, kind of over with, and it's cool. You'll see me wearing these joints very, very, very soon. Now, as far as quality and quality control, there are no real crazy flaws on here, and that's something that you can expect with the Doernbecher collection. They treat this quality and detail and packaging with the same respect that they do as these Union and FLYEERRKicks collabs and things like that. So no flaws here. Really, really good materials. They executed the colorways and the you know, the details and the extra packaging and the extra accessories very well. So buying these shoes, whether it's retail or resale, you can expect to get a nice quality shoe, good packaging, and no real like flaws. And that's just with the Doernbecher collection in general, man. So if you're getting it from the store or third-party site, just shop with confidence. You'll be getting a good shoe, something that looks good and will probably last long, especially with these darker, I guess there are brighter colors, but it's not a bright shoe. So there's no whites or anything on the shoe to where you can mess them up. So you'll be able to get some good wears out of these without them looking damaged or too dirty very quick. But really, really clean shoe. I mean, no brainer on this release. No brainer. Big time no brainer. But overall, man, this about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of Jakai's Nike Air 180. Super clean shoe. Doernbecher 20-year anniversary, the 2025 release. This is my favorite one for sure. I always look forward to Doernbecher. They do some crazy colors and crazy collabs and designs when they let the kids, you know, create their shoes. 100% creative freedom. This one was a good one to me. The Jordan wasn't great this year, in my opinion, as far as like wearability for myself, but I always look forward to the entire collection. You just never know what you're gonna get. Last year, the best shoe was the Vomero, in my opinion. They did a Penny, they did the Jordan 3. They were all cool, but the Vomero was definitely the best one. And then last year, they did the Doernbecher 3. So they always coming out with good shoes. I'm always excited to see the models and the stories and the details of where like these lightning bolts and these bubbles and water drops come from. So good shoe, good program overall. Shout out to Nike for continuing this for 20 years. Hopefully it'll last for another 20 years, and you know, that money can continue cycling and being able to help out the children in the hospital for research, treatment, whatever the case may be. But like I said, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got Jakai's Nike Air 180, Doernbecher 2025, man. Shout out to Jakai for real, man. You did a good one on this one. I'll be wearing these joints soon. Peace.